Good morning, children. In the last class, we discussed about second chapter addition. What are the things you learned in that class? In that chapter, we discussed about the properties of addition, how to add large numbers, then some word problems, and digit sum. Okay? So, in this class, today we are going to discuss about our third chapter, subtraction. Are you ready, children? Okay. Then, what is subtraction? In previous classes, you already learned it. What is subtraction? നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് എന്താണ് subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction is done by backward counting. Now we are discussing about third chapter subtraction. All of you take page number 66. Page number 66. Then subtraction means taking away. Subtraction is done by backward counting. Okay, in the first page, page number 66, there is properties of subtraction. Properties of subtraction. When we subtract a number from itself. Sorry, first property, when we subtract 0 from a number, the answer is the number itself. That is, a number minus 0 equal to the number itself. അതായത് നമ്മളൊരു നമ്പറിനെ നമ്പറും സീറോവും തമ്മിൽ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എപ്പോഴും ആൻസർ എന്തായിരിക്കും കിട്ടുക? ആ സെയിം നമ്പർ ആയിരിക്കും കിട്ടുക. That is, when we subtract 0 from a number, the answer is the number itself. For example, 256 minus 0 equal to 256. 256 minus 0 equal to 256. The same number. Okay. Then second property. 0 minus 256 not possible. 0 in the number subtract patilla. That is not possible. Okay. Then third property. When we subtract a number from itself, the answer is 0. അതായത് ഒരു നമ്പറിനെ ആ നമ്പറിൽ നിന്ന് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 256 minus 256, we get the answer 0. നമുക്ക് 0 ആണ് ആൻസർ കിട്ടുക. When we subtract a number from itself, the answer is 0. That is the third property of subtraction. Okay. Then last one, 512 minus 217 is possible. 512 minus 217. Okay. We can subtract a small number from a large number. A smaller number can be subtracted from a larger number. But 217 minus 512 is not possible. We can always subtract a smaller number from a larger number. Okay. All these are the properties of subtraction. I repeat, a number minus 0 equal to the number itself. A number minus 0 equal to the number itself. That is, when we subtract 0 from a number, the answer is the number itself. Okay, then 0 minus 256 not possible. Then 256 minus 256 equal to 0. When we subtract a number from itself, the answer is 0. Then a smaller number can be subtracted from a larger number. But a larger number cannot be subtracted from a smaller number. All these are the properties of subtraction. Screen, how to subtract 5,75,317 and 2,53,740. First we subtract the number in ones place. That ones in the place the number one subtract again. Okay. Which are the numbers in ones place? 7 and 4. Come on, say how can we subtract 7 and 4? Take away. We want to take away 4 from 7. What we get? The answer is 3. Then next tens place. Look at tens place. Which numbers are in tens place? 1 and 1. When we subtract same number, we get the answer 0. Okay. Then next look at how to subtract 7 from 3. What we do? In this case, we want to regrouping numbers. The 100 place numbers are 3 and 7. But we cannot subtract 7 from 3 because 3 is smaller number and 7 is larger number. We want to borrow. Therefore, we want to regrouping these numbers. We want to borrow from 1 from this 5. Only 5 and 1 and borrow. Then 3 becomes 13. Look at here, 3 becomes 13. Okay. Then we can easily subtract because here large number and here small number. So 13 minus 7. What we get? The answer is 6. നമുക്ക് 6 കിട്ടും. So here ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ഈ 5 ന്ന് 1 ഇങ്ങോട്ട് borrow ചെയ്തു. So here only 4. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Then 7 minus 5, 2. Then 5 minus 2, 3. Okay. First we subtract numbers in ones place. Then tens place. In hundreds place, there is above small number and below larger number. So we regrouping these numbers. That is, we borrow 1 from 5 and 3 becomes 13. Then we can easily subtract these two numbers. Here, if 5 will നിന്ന് 1 ആണ് അങ്ങോട്ട് borrow ചെയ്തത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ എന്തായി? Here 4. Then we can easily subtract because above larger number and below smaller number. So we can easily subtract. Okay. Then look at page number 67. All of you take page number 67. Please take page number 67. In page number 67, you can see the first question. Subtract 3,05,874 from 6,12,432. Subtract 3,05,874 from 6,12,432. Okay. First you write like this. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Then write each numbers in each places. Ones in the place 2, 4. Like this. Okay. Then look how to subtract these numbers. Here, in ones place, the numbers are 2 and 4. We already said that we cannot subtract a larger number from a smaller number. We cannot subtract a large number from a small number. Then what we do? We want to regrouping these numbers. We can borrow 1 from this number. Here 2 becomes 12. നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? 2ൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് 4 subtract ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. So we want to regrouping this ones and tens. Here 3 and here 2. So after regrouping, what we get? 12 and 2 here. Here 12 and here 2. You got it? Okay. So e 12 is 12. Then we can easily subtract 12 from 4 from 12. Okay. And what we get the answer? 8. When we subtract 4 from 12, we get the answer 8. Okay. Then look at the numbers in tens place. Tens place in the numbers നോക്കുക. ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ 1 borrow ചെയ്തു. ഈ 3 ന്ന് 1 borrow ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ 12 ആയത്. നമ്മൾ regrouping ചെയ്തു. So here the number only 2. ഇവിടെ 2 ആയിരുന്നു ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നത്. Then can you subtract 7 from 2? No. Here also we want to regrouping these tens and hundreds. Here also we want to regrouping. We want to borrow. Okay. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? ഈ 2 എന്തായി? 12 ആയി. We borrow 1 from this 4. ഈ 4 ൽ നമ്മൾ 1 borrow ചെയ്തു. ഇവിടെ 12 ആയി. Okay. Then 12 minus 7. We get the answer 5. Then ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ 1 ഇങ്ങോട്ട് borrow ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ here only 3. Again we want to regrouping 100 and thousands. So 3 ൽ നിന്ന് 8 നമുക്ക് subtract ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. We can't subtract. So here also we want to regrouping numbers. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ 13. 3 ഈ 1 നമ്മൾ 2 ൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മൾ borrow ചെയ്തു. ഇവിടെ 13 വന്ന് 13 minus 8 5. Then here balance 1. ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് 1 borrow ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ 1 ആയിരുന്നു ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ 1 ൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് 5 subtract ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Okay. So this 1 become 11. How it become 11? We take this 1 to here. We regrouping 1000 and 10,000. Here 11 and here become 0. Okay. Then 11 minus 5 equal to 6. Then here 0. 0 minus 0. 0. Then in lakhs place 6 and 3. So 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Okay, children. So what is the difference between 6,12,432 and 3,05,874? The difference is 3,06,558. 3,06,558 is the answer. Did you understand how to subtract two numbers, two large numbers? I hope all of you understand that. Then please look the second question. Look at the second question. Find the difference between 1,54,321 and 2,13,081. This question is in page number 67. The second question. Find the difference between 1,54,321 and 2,13,081. How can we find out the difference? So we also want to subtract. Subtract. Above we write large number and below smaller number. Okay. Then which is in this 2, which is the largest number? 2,13,081. 81. Okay. Then 1,54,321. So please look how to subtract these two numbers. Okay. 1 minus 1, 0. 8 minus 2, 6. But here 0. Then we already said that how to regrouping numbers, how to borrow. Okay. We take 1 from these 3 and here become 2 and here become 10. 10 minus 3, 7. Okay. Here 2. We cannot subtract 4 from 2. So we want to regrouping these two numbers. Okay. Then here become 12. Here become 0. ഈ 1 നമ്മൾ ഇങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ 12 ആവും, ഇവിടെ എന്താവും 0. So we can easily subtract 12 minus 4. We get the answer 5. Then here 0. Then what we do? We want to regrouping these two numbers. That is here become 10 and here becomes 1. So 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Then 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. So we get the answer 58,760. So the difference between 1,54,321 and 2,13,081 is 58,760. എല്ലാവർക്കും മനസ്സിലായിട്ടുണ്ടാവുമെന്ന് കരുതുന്നു. Okay, children. Then please look the next question. Third question. Okay, are you ready for doing third question? How much more is 3,21,574 than 2,53,719? How much more is 3,21,574 than 2,53,719? Okay. How to find out how much more? We want to find the difference. ഈ two numbers തമ്മിലുള്ള difference കണ്ടാൽ നമുക്ക് അറിയാൻ പറ്റും. How much more about these two numbers? Okay. First, in ones place, which are the numbers 4 and 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 4. So we want to regrouping these ones and tens. Then what we get when we regrouping these two numbers? 4 become 14. We borrow 1 from this 7. Okay, then we get 14. Here 7 minus 1, we get the answer 6. Okay, then we want to subtract 9 from 14. We want to subtract 9 from 14. We get the answer 5. Okay. Then in tens place, the numbers 6 and 1. When we subtract 1 from 6, we get 5. Okay. Then here 5 and 7. Then what we do? Here 5 and here 7. We want to borrow 1 from this 1. When we borrow this 1 here, 5 becomes 15 and 1 becomes 0. Is it? Then we can easily subtract 15 minus 7. The answer is 8. 15 minus 7, we get 8. Okay. Next, here it is 0. 0 minus 3 is not possible. So we want to borrow 1 from this number. This 2, we want to borrow 1 from this 2. We get here 10. 10 minus 3 equal to 7. Okay. Then here 1. 1 minus 5 is not possible. Is it possible? No, we cannot subtract a small number, large number from a small number. So we want to regrouping these numbers, these two numbers in 10,000 and lakhs place, these two numbers. We want to borrow 1 from these 3. Then we get here 11. 11 minus 5, we get 6. When we take away 1 from these 3, here 2. The answer is 2. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Then how much more is 3,21,574 than 2,53,719? 67,855. Okay, the answer is when we subtract 3,21,574 and 2,53,719, we get the answer 67,855. Okay, children. So just revise what are things we learned today. We discussed about our third chapter, subtraction. Our third chapter, subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction is done by backward counting. Subtraction is done by backward counting. Then what are the properties of subtraction? Properties of subtraction. When we subtract 0 from a number, the answer is the number itself. When we subtract 0 from a number, that is number 0 subtract, the answer is the same number. 256 minus 0 equal to 256. Then 0 minus 256 not possible. നമുക്ക് ഒരു നമ്പറിനെ 0-ൽ നിന്ന് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. That is not possible. 0 minus 256 is not possible. Then when we subtract a number from itself, the answer is 0. When we subtract a number from itself, that is 10 minus 10 or 9 minus 9, the answer is 0. Okay. Then 512 minus 217 is possible. That is, a smaller number can be subtracted from a larger number. But a larger number cannot be subtracted from a smaller number. ഒരു smaller number larger number നമുക്ക് subtract ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. But തിരിച്ച് നമുക്ക് അത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Okay.